Rutuja and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing this beautiful purple glam makeup look. Before getting to the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So first I am moisturizing my face, and here I am using Pond's lightweight moisturizer and gently massaging until it gets absorbed in my skin. Next I am applying face serum. The one that I will be using is from Good Vibes. It feels so hydrated after applying this serum. Next I am applying primer on my T-zone area, and the primer I am using is from Eyebrow. Next I am applying foundation, and the foundation I am using is from Lakme liquid foundation, and I am blending it with a beauty blender. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer as an eye base. For eyeshadow, I am going to be using SFR eyeshadow palette. I am starting with the shade purple, and I am going to blend it in my crease. Mixing the pink color, I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow palette. This will be a transition color. And now it's time to cut the crease. Using the dark pink color and applying it on my center of the lid. Next, applying same purple color on outer corner. Blending it with pink color. Next I am applying golden shade on my inner corner. Next I am applying concealer from Swiss Beauty to conceal my dark circles and spots of my face and blending it. this clear contour palette. And to set my face, I am using compact powder from Inside. This not only sets your face but also gives a flawless coverage. Next, using Eyebrow liquid eyeliner and drawing a wing liner with it. And then I'm applying some lip balm to keep it ready for the lipstick. Next I'm applying mascara, and this is from CoverGirl. Next, to soften my lower lash line, I'm using the same purple color, and I'm just going to smoke it out throughout my lower lash line. In my waterline, I'm using ADS Kajal. On my lips, I'm using Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. Next, applying highlighter on the highest plane of my face just to get the illumination and glow. And here is the complete look. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are new here.